What is social media marketing? If you ever scrolled through Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, etc. and saw an ad or a post from an organization, that's social media marketing. There is organic social media marketing and paid social media marketing. Now, the difference is subtle but important. So let's use Facebook as an example. A paid ad is one which is designed and targeted at potential customers who don't already like your company on Facebook. The ad might be to encourage them to like your page, to view some content, to inquire, to purchase, etc. But it's a paid ad and most often aimed at brand new customers. On the other hand, organic social media marketing on Facebook is a post you put on your company's newsfeed just like you would on your personal feed. It's for your friends and followers who already know about you and have liked you already. Now, you can boost an organic post with money, but this is different to a paid ad, which originates from Facebook Ads Manager and has far more sophisticated targeting and configuration options.